guys down to the transfer and stuff good for me. I chose today, I haven't seen this thing for me yet, but some bad reason, I know I will watch it, I know what it is, so 12, side, that's that. If 12 contains murder, action, violence, and violence, or strong language, you want to be for person 12 is going to make this place